I think the verdict is just that I'm stupid. I also haven't eaten lunch today, and I think that's like severely affecting my ability to DIY. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're doing DIYs that are actually cute. I know that is the most straightforward title I've maybe ever had for a DIY, but like I really just didn't know what else to call this video because they're DIYs that are like actually cute, easy, and like you'll actually want to do them. I know like the #1 comment is like, oh my gosh, this was so cute, but like I'm never gonna do it. That's like literally the #1 comment, but these ones are actually easy and actually cute and you can actually do them, and you guys better actually tweet me photos afterwards of your DIY recreations. Is that a lot of pressure? I feel like I put a lot of pressure on you guys. Anyways, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. I'm not normally this forceful to make you guys get creative and craft, but today we gonna be a little forceful. Just kidding, craft at your own risk, you know, live your life. Live your life. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so for the first DIY, basically how did this start? Oh, I was watching Sierra Furtado's vlog and she got her mom, this feels irrelevant, but it's gonna come around. It's gonna come around, I promise. She got her and her mom these friendship bracelets from Dior, and I'm just not on that level of Dior, and so I got Amazon ones, and for $10, you got like 20 of them. Exhibit A. So anyways, I ordered so many of them, and it was like a mystery pack, kind of like you don't really know what pattern you're gonna get, and so I was like, oh, there's probably gonna be some cute ones here. Going back to the Dior bracelet, it was like this really cute friendship bracelet style. I think that one was actually black and white, but like that's also not me. We want some color in here. And then I also ordered these really cute like bejeweled charms. They're called slider charms. If you want to find them on Amazon, I can link them down below, but they're like basically just slider letters that I'm gonna slide right onto this pre-made friendship bracelet. And I mean, if y'all crafty, if y'all went to summer camp, make your own friendship bracelet, and this is like completely original, but I made these before and these take a really long time. So right now I'm that subscriber who's like, that's really cute, but I'm never gonna do that. So we ordered them on Amazon instead. So essentially all I'm gonna do is untie this knot here, tape off the loose ends here so it's like a flat entry point to go through the little slider charm, and then just spell out whatever you want on here. It's gonna be super cute, and we're just gonna tie it on, and it's gonna be, oh, is my hand might, I was gonna do laurDIY, but my wrist might not even be big enough for laurDIY. I might just go with LAUR or DIY. Probably LAUR, right? Yeah. Childhood in the form of a friendship bracelet that I would spend hours making, but just like a little bit bougier now. Okay, so I'm gonna make it so it's adjustable, and basically all we're gonna do is take one side and tie a knot around this second string. So this is gonna go here, overwards, and you're just tying a knot around itself, but like with the other string on it. Okay, just realized I only have one of these, so I only have one chance to mess up my own merch. Okay, whatever, YOLO. So using the merch, I am going to be cropping the t-shirt. Surprise, surprise, that's all I know how to do. Literally every buying YouTuber merch and DIYing it. But actually, this was fan requested. I got a DM from a girl who was like, hey, can you show me how to make this? So we gonna do that today. I mean, we're gonna try. Literally taking a hand with scissors to the shirt right now. So I'm gonna start by cropping it pretty short, and essentially we're gonna be adding a key ring here to the front and the back, and then doing 2 layers of like chains, I guess. So it's like a body chain and a shirt all in one. I know, she's edgy today, she's edgy. But we'll see how it goes. The one that she sent me the photo of is definitely like an edgier t-shirt, but I think this will still be really cute, and I'm excited to try this out. different lengths of chain, a long one and a short one. And basically for the short one, you just measure, you know, here to here and then double it so it goes around the other side. And same thing for the little bit longer one, here to here, and then just double it. And you can just do one piece so it saves you one less jump ring. And yeah, cut to the B-roll. So this is what it's gonna look like on, like insert torso here. But I think this is gonna be one of those things that like we'll have to put on to totally figure out where everything goes. I hope this is as cute as I think it's gonna be. In my brain, it's cute. So we'll see. Also, thank you so much to that fan who suggested that I try this, but only thank you if it looks cute. If it doesn't look cute, then I don't know. Guys, we just spent about it was probably longer than 30 seconds. Like 5 minutes learning how to pronounce rattan basket. It's not wicker, it's rattan. Rattan. Rattan? Oh God, now I forget. Let's listen to it one more time. Rattan. Anyways, I got this basket at the Pasadena Rose Bowl flea market and it's so cute. I want to get a bunch more. I feel like this is a trend that's popping off right now where artisans and stuff are making these really cool rattan baskets and then like hanging them up on the wall, kind of just like this, instead of using them as more of like a bowl or a platter. I'm gonna try and find some more of these, but today I wanted to add some paint to this one to give it a little pop and color because my office makeover is still coming along. I'm definitely not painting the walls for the 3rd time, but it's fine, it's totally fine. But yeah, I've just got some acrylic paint. I'm gonna add some different pink hues to this one and make her cute. And also, like, when I say that, like, this is a cute DIY that you can actually do, I feel like these are so commonly at thrift stores too for just a couple dollars. So this can be a super, super affordable room decor DIY. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY. Guys, like I actually want you to do some of these DIYs. Like go on Amazon, get some stuff, go to the thrift store, and get creative. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do try out any of these DIYs, make sure to tweet me photos at laurDIY and on Instagram using the hashtag laurDIY. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for vlogs and DIYs. If you haven't seen last Wednesday's vlog, that'll be linked in the down bar below. What else? I feel like there's so many things to say in the outro. If you want to shop merch, it's shop.laurDIY.com, and I will see you guys on Wednesday for weekly vlog on Sunday for another Sunday. Okay, bye guys, love you. I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running